Welcome to the PC Cloner final presentation. He is supervised by Dr. Malitha Vijay Sundara. Let me introduce our group members. Group leader Varna Dhananjaya, Isurinda Jayawardena, Rohan Gunaratna, Dimut Gunawardena, and Harry Prasad. Green computing or eco-friendly computing is the most interesting topic in IT field. Every vendor, every service provider consider about the green computing when they provide services and goods. Even though it's must to pass certain levels of eco-friendliness before they market their product to the people. We know the natural resources are rapidly depleting from the earth due to a higher consumption. Higher consumption use higher rate of emissions of pollutants and greenhouse gases. These pollutants made a massive impact on Earth biodiversity and the balance of the nature. We are experienced in sudden climate changes, acid rains, and global warming as a result of eco-pollution. Moving to the computing, the modern computers use only a small fraction of their processing power and waste energy. Normally, we are used less than 10% of PC resources during normal working day. A typical PC takes more than 300 watts to power up and run. There are almost billions of them in the world. Obviously, it creates impact on Earth's biodiversity. Moving to the basic setup of the PC cloner. As shown in picture, the PC cloner changed the traditional computer into multi-seats with multiple users. What is PC cloner? PC Cloner is a multi-seating software which allows two users to work simultaneously on same computer. PC Cloner is designed to make duplicate computer. Altogether, 2 displays, 2 keyboards and 2 mice. Each user will get a pair of keyboard and mouse. User can run any application on the computer and work on it. Users of PC Cloner. PC Cloner can use in many applications. Actually, PC Cloner is essential eco-friendly computer solution for the world. And it is an ideal solution for schools, universities, internet cafes and companies. PC Cloner can double PCs with the same budget. What users have to do is buy only a monitor and pair of keyboard and mouse. Since the most power is absorbed by the system unit, we share the unused processing power with another user. Our application is very easy to set up and it is really user-friendly application. Moving to what we achieved. So far we have came up with the 3 solutions. In solution 1, our scope is to get a separate user logins on each desktop. And we plan to create new user desktop on each monitors. Each monitors will plug to different VGA cards. And we plan to identify each VGA card by its own hardware ID. With the solution 2, we designed Windows Forms application and Windows Multipoint to create 2 mouse pointers on 2 displays. Since Windows Multipoint doesn't allow to work on extended desktop, we had to go for another solution to get work 2 mouses in same computer. Finally, we came up with solution there with ARM Windows Mouse Driver, which allows users to have 2 mouse pointers on 2 displays. With the lack of tutorials on the web and a lot of Windows restrictions, we have changed our scope after discussing with our supervisor. Finally, we omit creating separate user session for each user and we move to the Windows Forms application. Let's move to the how PC Cloner works. One of the big challenge was during project is to pass keystrokes to their relevant application. So to capture keystrokes, we use global keyboard hook application. So to capture keystrokes, we use global keyboard hook. Application identifies each keystrokes coming from the user keyboards by its hardware IDs. And then the application forward fired keystrokes to the relevant application. And the most biggest challenge to create two mouse pointers on two displays. We designed mouse driver to identify each mouse separately. It filters the mouse events and sends events to the operating system. This is running separately to the PC Cloner application because this is work as a Windows driver. Then we draw a new mouse pointer to other mouse. The PC Cloner has a lot of functions. The main advantage is we can use any standard application, so we are able to install our system in any background. Users don't want to install any additional applications. We can work with any kind of keyboard and mouse. PC Cloner is a very simple application and which allows users to share files very easily. If users want some security on their files, they can use freely available encryption method to secure their files. Okay, these are some of screenshots. The first screenshot shows the initial stage, and the next one shows the application selection process by users. This is the final output on two desktops.